Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in Toyota RAV4 2016 model, and this one actually belonging to the end of 2013 and 2017 generation. The car come with the standard factory radio before, and also it come with a small screen that display the factory reverse camera. At this moment it is fully upgraded from the front with the full package of the 9-inch touchscreen quad LED screen, very smooth and responsive, and it comes with the wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, which is wireless Android Auto on the screen with our phone recording this one. And it comes with the full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera, upgrade into the factory camera location and make it fit beautifully like factory fit over there. So you definitely can see that the whole new from the cabin to the rear camera already replaced into this one. Yep, so it's very simple, very beautiful, and we connect all steering wheel control button over here and steering wheel control for phone over here, and we fit in keeping the factory USB port over there, and also we fit in another second USB port over here. So yep, 2 USB port, and looks like factory fit over here with the new 9-inch touchscreen. So yes, it is the Toyota RAV4 2016, and now you can see actually the reverse camera coming up quickly, and it is dark time at this moment. It is dark, it is almost 9 p.m. already, but you can see how clear and how bright outside. Okay, so make it simple. It is 9 p.m. almost, and at this moment it is totally dark to the human eyes outside, and that is the camera with the full HD anti-glare and super night vision on. In the nighttime it is like that, so you can feel very happy to reverse, and it is flexible to adjust camera as well. So when you move forward, it comes straight into the front. So yes, that's our system now for the RAV4 and generation 13 and 17. Thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one.